Well, it's Saturday the 9th, 2013. It's still snowing. It's like about 8 o'clock in the morning. So this is my car and one of the drifts. I'm kind of like deep. We got about... Luckily, I lucked out. My neighbor snowblowed my driveway for me. It was awesome. I don't know who exactly did this, but God bless. The mysterious. Yeah, we got quite a bit of snow. Who did my driveway? Oh, I had to have been this guy. Yeah, it's really windy still. There's a lot of drifts, and man, I gotta determine if I'm gonna be going to work today. But yeah, that snow mountain's my car. Let's go back. I gotta dig this out. This is insane. Back through the knee-deep snow. Oh, look, there's a dry patch. Look. You know, the yardstick is out there somewhere, but yeah, I say we got a fair amount of snow. What do you think? I'm gonna pub this up and talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Man, I'm glad I parked like this low, cause man, whew, there's steps here somewhere. There we go.